How to create your own photos to NFTs, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can convert your own photos into NFTs, especially with the current NFT craze going around. Everyone is looking to create their NFTs, and what better way to create NFTs simply by going ahead and taking whatever photos that you had and converting them into more animated photos for you to be able to create them into your NFTs. So let's get into it now. There is a very simple way that you can do this. First off, you're going to take any of your images, so you can upload your own images, or you can go on to vectz.com. This is a royalty-free platform that will enable you to download photos without having to pay anything. These are royalty-free images, so you can use them for your own use. So we're just going to download these, and then you just have to view an ad. And once you have done that, there are two ways that you can make these animated. Now, first off is that you can go on to photor.com, so photoware.com, and then you can click on turn your picture into painting now. Just click on that, and then you're going to click on open image, and then you can just drag and drop your image over here. And this is just processing the image, and it is converting it into a animated version. So it's just going to take a couple of minutes for it to be converted, and we're just going to wait for that to happen. And now you can see this has been created and the filter has been applied. You can choose the intensity. You also have multiple different filters on the left side of your screen, so you can choose a different filter if you want and then apply that and see how that looks. So this will give you access to basically creating as many animated versions of your images. This is just one way to do that. There is another way that you can have a lot more customization, and you can remove the logo with a free trial. So you can click on start free trial to remove watermark, and the watermarks will be removed, and then you can go on ahead and purchase a premium version later on if you feel the need to do so. Now, if you don't want to go with this method, if you want maybe a more different kind of animation, maybe you want more control over your animation, then you can go on over and head to canva.com. This is another illustration platform. It is free to use, and you don't have any watermarks in this, and you can simply create a animated version and add more customization to the image as well. So you can add frames and other illustrations onto your image. So for that, what you're going to do is click on upload over here, and then you're just going to upload the image. So we're just going to take the same line image from there. So you can see we have multiple different filters, and you can save whichever one you want, but we're going to click on edit photo and begin editing on Canva now. Now, once we have our image opened up over here, it's going to take a couple of seconds to be uploaded. Then you can go on ahead, click on the image. So just wait for it to upload completely, so all of the megapixels, and it is uploaded completely, so we can begin editing. Now you can see our image has been uploaded, and once you click on the image, you have the option for edit image on the top. So you're just going to click that, and then you have multiple different filters. So you can add any of these filters to give it a different kind of look. So what you can do is you can click on irradiate and give it like a tripping effect. So we can add the amount. We can click on apply. Then you can also go on ahead and split the colors. You can add multiple different options. So you also have things like saturation, so you can go on ahead and oversaturate it to give it more of a animated look, like so. And then you can also click on filters over here and apply some of the filters for a different look, or just go on ahead and apply the split effect or apply the trace effects. So whatever effect you find to be the best, and then you're just going to choose the amount that you want the filter to be applied, like this, like so. And just like that, we have a simple animated version, or a different version of our image that is not directly an image. And you can even customize this further simply by going into your element section, and within the element section you can search for things like lines, and then you can scroll down and add multiple grid lines. So I'm just going to open this up over here. So we're going to go into the graphics section, and then you can see these lines over here. So we can just expand these just to give it more of a interesting effect, where you can just add these from here, like so. We're just going to add these over here, and you can rotate these, you can customize them however you want, whatever you find would look best for your image. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip them like so, and then I'm just going to place them over here. like this. Oh, now we have a animated version, and we can just click on share on the top over here, click on download, and download this as a PNG or JPEG, whatever you want for your NFT. Now, you might be wondering, is this an NFT now? The final step for an NFT is the minting process, and for a platform like OpenSea. So if we go on to OpenSea.io, you just click on create over here, and you're going to link your crypto wallet. So once we have linked our crypto wallet, we're going to click on accept and sign, and we're going to sign this on our crypto account. We're going to click on got it, just like this. And now once you have done that, you can just upload your image. So you can just click on upload and then add all of your links, and your NFT will be created. So that is how simple and easy it is for you to create your NFT using a simple image and make it an animated version using photo art or Canva. So this is how simple and easy it is for you to create the animated version of your image. There are multiple different designs that you can pick out from. So let's say I choose to delete these lines from over here. You can add any of these lines or illustrations just to give it a more interesting effect. And you can even go on ahead and download this version of the image. So we can just download the free image from over here. And then you can go on to Canva. You're going to click on upload. And then you can even cover the watermarks for these kinds of designs using Canva. So you can go on ahead. We're just going to wait for our image to be uploaded, and then we're going to customize this as well. So what you can do is click on elements, search for lines or shapes. So whatever you want, we're going to search for lions. Click on graphics over here, and you can see there are multiple different graphics available. So we can add another graphic illustration over here, like so. So we're just adding another graphic illustration, and you can add a lot more to your illustrations with Canva as well, and this will allow you to have the most complicated design. You can create as much of a complicated or simple design as you want. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.